How you guys doing? This is Picasso again. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to edit flyers in Adobe Illustrator CS5. And this is a great program. And this is actually the program that all of our flyers were originally designed in. So you can go in and edit pretty much anything you want. It's a vector software, very popular software. You can also use Corel Draw if you want to go this far into editing all your images. But anyways, let's get started. I've already pulled the photo here for the pizza off to the side just to show you how it works. But this is a blank background. If you guys ever wanted to open this up, you can put whatever you want back here. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to bring this to the front here, and just to show you how this works. But all I'm doing is move objects that I've clicked on. I use my toolbox over here, my black arrow key. And I can select on any image I want or whatever I want to select on. I select on that, and then I can actually arrange which way the image is. So if I want to bring that on top of everything else, I just go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, just to show you how this works. And you'll see that this is going to be like right on top of everything. And if I go up here, you'll notice that it covers up pretty much everything. You know, it's on top of everything because I brought it to the front. But I want actually that to be behind everything. So if you open up your master template, your blank template, you're going to get a blank background. So if you use the Illustrator, all you need to do is open up your template, open up your other object, copy and paste your pizza picture into the document, and you can size it by moving it around, and then you can see these corners up here. You just go up here, find the corner, drag or float on top of it, and then hold your shift key, and it'll allow you to size your image how big you want it. But I wanted that to fill up the whole background and the whole picture there up there on top. So I'm going to get it to where I want it, and then I just go up to Object again, Object, Arrange, Send to Back, and it looks like we have a white box here. So I'm going to select on that white box, and I'm going to send that to back. And all that is just layers. All this stuff is layered on top of each other. So I'm just moving that to the back of the document. So there you go. Now it's ready to put another logo on top of it. And that's pretty easy. I've already opened up another logo. I'm going to use CC's Pizza here. I'm going to copy and paste that. I just Control C to copy it. You can also go up here to Object, Copy, or Edit, Copy, Paste. But I like to use the short key commands, which is Control C, and then I go back to my pizza flyer, and I go Control V to place it. And it looks like we have the white background, but that's okay. It's going to look great anyway. So I'm going to move that into position. And again, I don't need to go to free transform or anything like that. It's not Photoshop or editor. I just simply use my black arrow key here, go above whatever part of the image I want, and I hold the shift key while I drag it, and it'll size it accordingly. So I just get it where I want it, and that looks perfect. And perfect, that's where I want. And now for my type, there's this little T over here, type tool. Click on that, and just go off to the side here, and I'm going to click pizza. Again, making it easy for everybody to get and understand. Type that out. I go up here and I have to click on my black arrow tool here so that it just puts this bounding box around my type. Then I can actually edit my type, my font, the size of the font, everything. I'm going to go for impact again, just to be just to keep it nice and consistent. Impact, and perfect. And again, I can just go over here. Now that it's got that bounding box, those little squares there, I can size it. So I just go over it, Control or Shift, and drag the little icon there, and put it in place. And that's perfect. That's the size I want and everything. So I'm just going to copy and paste that again, right on top of my document. I got another pizza, so I just duplicated the type. Illustrator is nice in that way. It's not like layers and all that stuff. It's just all vector artwork and whatnot. And I deleted back here, and I'm going to put my 555 number just to finish it up. And then I go back to my black arrow key, and it'll give me that bounding box again around my document here. And like this. And it's all set. One thing you need to do on this, you want to make sure your type is flattened, and actually that means you're basically outlining all your fonts here, so that when you go to print, you don't lose the look of the fonts you've picked, because it'll default to whatever is on the other computer that pulls this up. So you really need to make sure you outline all your text. And the way you do that, I'm going to zoom out by Control negative sign to like zoom out here. You can use your view here and zoom out and zoom in right here. But I'm going to use my black arrow key again. I'm going to go way out here, and I'm going to make it just a big box, where I'm going to just select all this stuff right here. And you see all how it highlights everything. And then I'm going to go up to Type, Create Outlines. And while I'm at it, I'm going to expand it. So I'm going to go Object, Expand Appearance, and then Object, Expand again. This is kind of the final steps, because all this is the original design here. So you want to make sure all those fonts are staying the same. But once you've done that, it's ready to go. Everything's set up for you guys. You just open this stuff up and adjust what you need to adjust. But you're all set. So I'm going to go ahead and save this file. Save as CC flyer. And I'll just put that on my desktop and save it. I have to click on it twice sometimes to get it started, and then it's going to ask me again, of course, are you sure you want to save this? And of course we want to save it. So I'm going to wait for that to pop up here and say PDF. And you guys are all set. It's all ready for print. You guys just sent this to your printer. Or you can set it or print it on your own desktop, whatever you guys need to do. But this is going to be the highest quality version of our flyers you can actually make. So if you really want to get down and dirty and completely edit these flyers, you can go use Illustrator or CorelDRAW to edit the original PDF files. So you guys are all set. More to come. A lot more training videos coming, and just get out there. Keep selling, and we're always trying to make things bigger and better for you guys. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.